Colourpuncture is based on acupuncture. To supplement colourpuncture or instead of colourpuncture, you can use acupressure. We have a wonderful oil called Oil Relax, and I want to show you a couple of points which you can treat with the oil for colds and flus and related symptoms. All you need to remember, you need to apply it in a way that does not enter sensitive parts of your body, such as eyes or nose. So simple points with oil. Very often, if you have inflammatory condition of any nature, we tend to have a headache. So oil is wonderful for headache applied to temples. You just need a couple of drops. You gently rub it in. Again, don't get too close to your eyes. You can also rub in the area between your eyebrows, yin-tongue area. There is a cluster of points around the neck which are really effective at easing the symptoms of colds, flus, headaches, any inflammatory processes and head and face, in fact. Inflammation of the ears, blocked nose, toothache, any problem with neck and shoulders, tension, pain, stiffness, reduced mobility. So first point is REN22. REN22 point is actually located on the very tip of the sternum bone. So the point is here, but you can apply the oil on the skin on projection of this point. And then there are 2 points about half neck, the side of tendon, above the clavicle, in this corner, between the muscle and the clavicle, which tend to be tender points when you have any symptoms of cold or flu or you have headache. Again, you rub in a couple of drops of oil into those points. Generally left sides and right side, but it doesn't really matter that much. And then there are 2 points in the area of lung 1, which is half the clavicle, under the clavicle, which is about halfway under the clavicle. So first you need to locate the clavicle from its connection to the sternum bone to this joint. So you need to locate the length of the clavicle, find the middle, go under, and this is your point. This is the area, this is not even the point, this is the broader area which encompasses lung 1. If you press it, you will find that if there is any process in your upper respiratory tract or middle respiratory tract, is going to be a tender point. Really, really good. Again, left side and then the right side. There is also a very good point in the middle of the sternum bone. So you locate the sternum bone, you find the middle. This is the area of REN17, REN18 acupuncture points. Again, when you press it, close your eyes, locate sensitive point, you will feel it. So roughly about halfway sternum bone, tend to be tender. This point opens the chest. This is more for middle and lower respiratory tract problem, but this is a wonderful, wonderful point. And there is also a point on the neck, at the back of the neck, called DO14. And this is a point located in the area of 7 cervical vertebra. There are 2 vertebrae which you will feel, which are more sort of prominent than the other vertebra on the level of dress neck line. The top one is going to be C7 and the next one is going to be T1. So we need C7. And the point is DO14. Great point for supporting the body efforts in eliminating cold and flu symptoms. Again, a little oil. If you're also tired with your flu or cold, you can also put several drops of oil on your inner wrists and rub them together. You can smell the oil. It's very nice. This is the area of acupuncture points: pericardium 7, heart 7, and lung 9. And those are excellent points for energy. This cluster of points will not make you excessively active, so you can absolutely safely use the oil in the evening. But it will generally help to support your body, to release tension, and to support energy. This is oil which is really balancing. It is a collection of anti-inflammatory herbs, and this is really good for energy when you're tired. And this is also very good for relaxation when you need relaxation, because the mixture in this oil is balanced. We also have tea, which is made of similar herb combination, which is also balanced. Use a flask because this is botanical tea. It needs longer infusion and it's really, really rich, really wonderful. And it is also balanced, so you can drink it in the morning for energy, in the afternoon for balancing and presence, better functioning of digestive system, and in the evening for relaxation. A wonderful oil, highly recommend. a glass of nice tea, your dream work and journaling, and you're all set. Happy self-care.